The indigenes of Nteje, the land birth of star Dike Munachimso, Edochie, has welcomed their son with open arms and recognized him as a true son of the soil of Nteje Aborgu. They also recognize his mother as the wife of Edochie, as has fulfilled all his traditional obligations. They are also of the opinion that polygamy is not a crime but a choice. They said is brave enough to make a choice that must be respected.
A lot of you run out of your husband's houses. What he accused? He was cheating on me. Solomon had, I think, 1,000 wives, 700 concubines. If you say that your husband is cheating on you and now decides to take many more wives, what are you going to do? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. If you think that your husband leaves the house, says it's going on tour, and he's going to have an affair outside, put a packet of condom into his bag. Tell him you have packed his bag for him. When he sees it, psychologically, he's going to think, this woman has my interest at heart. If it is his intention to stray, he will pull himself together. But because that you women are not even creative, no. You want to be like white women who keep marrying and divorcing and marrying. It doesn't suit us. It doesn't go down well with us. No.